Hi there, I'm Dave, founder and CEO of Bar Patrol, and this is Bar Patrol Inventory App. What's Bar Patrol Inventory App? Only the fastest, easiest, most accurate and affordable inventory system in the universe. Okay, sure, Dave, I'm looking for an inventory system. Why should I choose Bar Patrol? You shouldn't. Unless you want to use your grandpa's clipboard and pencil to make your little tally marks, in which case you should probably use his fax machine, send me a message, tell me how awesome your Walkman and dial-up internet is. Unless you want a super sexy Bluetooth scale that's lightning fast and deadly accurate. Unless you want an inventory system so simple a child can use it. How's it going, Presley?
Great, Dave.
Adorable. Unless you want the person behind the system to have more than 3 decades of industry experience running bars, as opposed to the sales guy you're talking to on the phone from the other inventory company who knows less about running bars than my Aunt Harriet. Sorry, Aunt Harriet, but you don't know jack. Unless you want powerful analytics that will save you thousands of dollars per month. You see, Bar Patrol integrates with 95% of the POS systems out there, which means you can track how accurately your bartenders are pouring, down to the 1/100th of an ounce. Tell me, do you like the idea of spending $150 or even $300 per month for an inventory system that has less features than Bar Patrol at 5 times the cost? Why shouldn't you be able to have a cutting-edge inventory system in place in your bar or restaurant without adding a huge monthly expense to your budget? Still unsure? How about a heartfelt testimonial from one of our hundreds of clients? Hey Travis, what do you think of Bar Patrol app?
I love it.
I don't know about you, but I've got goosebumps. Nope, this ain't your grandpa's inventory system, but at $1.63 per day, it's priced like one. Miss you, Poppy. Visit us at barpatrol.net and schedule a screen share demo, and we'll show you exactly how much time and money Bar Patrol can save you. Bar Patrol, the fastest, easiest, most accurate, and affordable inventory system in the universe.